welcome to Wanies Academy. In our mathematics today, we're looking at collecting like terms, and the aim of this lesson is for you to understand the steps in collecting like terms. The objective of this lesson is that at the end of this lesson, you'll be able to simplify algebraic expressions by combining terms that have the same variable and exponent. So collecting like terms is a process in algebra where terms with the same variable and exponent are combined. And this simplifies expressions by adding or subtracting these terms. So let's say, for instance, if we have 2x squared, 2x power 2 plus x minus y plus 4x plus 7. Now, in this algebraic expression, we have 5 terms. This is x squared terms. We have this to be x term. This is y term. We also have another x term. And we have the number 10. So now if we want to simplify this algebraic expression, what we're going to do here is to collect the like terms. When collecting the like terms here, you can have this to be this 2x squared plus x, then plus 4x, because we can add the two terms together, they are like terms. And in no order, we can have minus y, then plus 7. So you can see that we can add up x plus 4x because they are like terms. So we can now have this now to be this 2x squared, x plus 4x, we're going to have this to be 5x, minus y plus 7. So this is how to collect like terms. So we're going to look at 3 examples in this topic. In the first example here we have to simplify 7a plus 2a raised power 2 plus 5ab minus 4 minus 6a plus 7. So we want to simplify this by collecting the like terms. So we can still have this as, now we can have 2a raised power 2. Now we have 2a times there, which we can add or subtract them together. So we have plus 7a minus 6a. And after that, we can have plus 5ab. And if you look at this, we have two number terms there. So we can still have plus 7 minus 4. So we can simplify this further by having this as, now we can have this to be 2a raised power 2. 7a minus 6a, we're going to have that to be plus a. Then we can have plus 5ab. And 7 minus 4, we're going to have that to be plus 3. So simplify the algebraic expression. So we can move to example 2. In example 2 here, we are asked to simplify. We have 5x plus 2 minus 5x plus 6. All right. So here I want to collect the like terms. So we can have 5x minus 5x and Adding up the number times there, we have plus 2 plus 6. We can have this as now 5x minus 5x, that's 0. Then we have 2 plus 6. We can have that to be 8. So simplifying the algebraic expression, question 2, we're going to have it to be 8. And to the last question here, that's question 3. Here we have to simplify the algebraic expression. We have 2x plus 3y minus 4x plus 7x minus 4y. Alright, if you want to simplify this, just as what we did in example 1, 2, and 3, we can bring the x terms together and the y term also together. That's how to collect like terms. So we can have this as 7x, right, plus 2x. We also have minus 4x. Then let's now move to the y terms. We can have plus 3y minus 4y. We can have this now to be equivalent or to be equals to. Now 7x plus 2x, we can have this to the 9x. Then 9x minus 4x, we can have that to be 5x. We have this as 5x. And plus 3y minus 4y, we can have that to be minus y. So simplifying the algebraic expression by collecting the like terms in example 3, we can have that to be 5x minus y. So that will hold in today's class. And if you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe now. Thank you and see you in the next class. Bye for now.